feel like such a YouTuber saying this, but today I'm going to walk you through my journal ecosystem. For the longest time, I have been trying to find a balance between digital and physical record keeping, but I've finally, I think, cracked the code. I use 4 notebooks and all of them have a different purpose. And I didn't want to talk about this until a month after I have tried it and been consistent at it. Here I am, and I think the system has worked wonderfully well for me, so let me just show you all. This first book that I use is called an idea diary. I mean, it was literally called idea diary when I bought it. This is for any ideas that come to my mind anytime. If you know me, you don't even need to know me for this. My brain is constantly churning, constantly thinking about what to do, what to post, what to edit, what to film, work wise at least, or even personal life, like I should do this, I need to fix this over here and all of that. And this helps because anytime I have an idea that pops in my mind that I feel like I might forget later on, I might not remember the wonderful idea that I've had, I write it down in this book. It's not filled with a lot of things now, but I have written down quite some ideas that I just randomly get maybe in the afternoon when I'm napping or about to nap, or in the process of editing or of what I need to do, maybe like some software that I need to learn. Whatever comes to my mind basically goes in this idea diary, not in elaborate detail, just like in keywords or phrases. I think basically that just pops in my mind that I know I might forget, but I would not want to, I write it down in this diary. Is this media journal for which I've taken inspiration from my sister. She has this book where she writes reviews about books. I think she also does it for the media. This book is where I write my thoughts, favorite lines, notes from whatever podcast or YouTube video or books that I'm reading currently. It explains whether I like that particular piece of media, what I liked from it, if there was anything that I wanted to take away from it. Of course, I don't do it for every YouTube video that I watch, but the interesting ones which talk about self-development or personality or life in general, I think substantial. I've also gotten back into listening to podcasts. I started it at the beginning of the year and then I don't know why I stopped it. I used to listen it first thing in the morning and then I realized that I don't want to consume content as soon as I woke up, so then I stopped. Now started doing this in the evening towards the end of the day to kind of like wind down and get into the relaxed mode. And while sometimes I just hear it, other times there are things that I would like to remember in the future. So basically this book is just a compilation of every piece of media that I've consumed and things that I would like to take away and remember for a long time. So I added like tabs to this. So the yellow is like the book reviews, pink, I think, pink is a YouTube video and green is a podcast. Next up is this productivity planner I've been using since the beginning of the year. Basically it has a weekly planner, it has a habit tracker, it has a list of tasks that you have to do in the entire week, it has a space for notes or just to scribble your thoughts. It also has a monthly planner which I don't use that often. Personally use the daily planner every day because I think it covers a lot of things that I would like my to-do list to have. I love this journal because when I started using this, at the beginning of the journal they have mentioned about productivity and like science-backed ways to increase productivity and understand how you can arrange your tasks throughout the day in a way that you can make your day or your tasks more productive and efficient. Read through all of that and I use that when I'm making my to-do lists or planning my days every day. So I think that was very helpful. Love how it has like a whole task list for the entire week so that I know how my week is going to look like. Even though there's always new things added or like old things that are not done, it gives you like a good idea of how your week is going to look like. Journal is practically like my life admin stuff right here. I use this every day. It has all the logistic details of my work and my personal life, and I'm almost about to finish it. I started this in January. It's for 6 months, so I think I'll finish this now in June or July. And lastly, my journal. This is where I record my days that I feel grateful for. There's also my gratitude journal. I write about things that have gone terribly wrong. I write about things that have gone terribly right. I write about what's bothering me, what I'm happy about today, things that have been on my mind since a while, and all of that. I don't use it for anything else. I literally use it just to journal. I don't journal every day. I think I journal 3 to 4 times in a week, but almost consistently. So I'm happy. I would like that by the end of this year, I am journaling every day. So yeah.